You will love the features of this 2023 Toyota Tundra. Here's a boldly beautiful Tundra that delivers serious strength and upscale comfort. Engineered to maximize towing and handling stability, this handsome truck also spoils you with a smooth ride and premium cabin loaded with amenities. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, heated driver's seat, keyless entry, heated mirrors, satellite radio, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, alarm, intermittent wipers. Relax and enjoy the adventure in this can-do Tundra. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.